Okay, now I want you to do an exercise. We have downloaded the data from Parse.com. We have the list view. So now you have to use the adapter that we previously had to show this data from Parse.com into that list view. So I'm going to leave you some time and then I'm going to do the solution. Okay, remember that we had an adapter here that we was using a list of news. We are not going to use this list of news anymore. We are just going to use the concert list. Okay, so I just have to adapt this method to the concert list. And the method getView has to show the title. So the title we know is on text view row. So text view row set text. We need to get the concert for that position. So concert list get position. This is going to return an object concert list. So now we do get title. Okay, we are going to do this in an easier way. First, we are going to declare a concert here. So concert row concert is equals concert list get position. Okay, so for every method getView, for every row, we are going to retrieve the concert for that position. And then for the text on the row, we just need the row concert get title. Now for the image, you can guess what we need. So what we need is row concert get image link. Okay. Now we have created the adapter. Well, we haven't created the adapter there. We have deleted that line. So after retrieving all the data from Parse.com, then is when we are going to create the adapter and set the adapter to the list. So list view set adapter new my adapter. Okay, so what's going to happen? The method on create view is going to be called. Everything of this is going to finish. We are going to return the fragment view. Then this method, which is doing it in background in another thread, is going to be called when the information is downloaded. It's going to put all the content in a list and it's going to set an adapter on the screen. I want to try to launch the application now to see that everything is fine. And if I try to launch, the first thing that I find is an error saying that the class file for bolts is not found. If you look at the download directory where I downloaded Parse.com, it also has another library with these bolts, and apparently we also need to add this library with this new version of Parse.com. So just copy bolts android.jar and add it onto the library folder. Okay, now we have everything that we need to launch. We need this library bolts to work with Parse.com. If not, Parse.com is not able to do a query to the internet. Now we are going to check. If I try to launch again, I can see that there is another problem. So let's see, we are going to get a crash. Okay, it just says, exception that I'm having, says that I must call parse initialize before using the parse library. And remember that we add this line, parse initialize, when creating our main activity. What is happening? First, we are going to set in the view for our activity main, and that view contains the fragment. So we are trying to create the fragments before initialize Parse.com. That's why this method is being called before parse initialize. So then what I'm going to do is remove this from the main activity, and I'm going to initialize the library on the splash activity as soon as I open our application. Now this line initialize will be called before using Parse.com, before trying to request the data. Okay. Now it's launching. And we have here the main activity with the logo that we want and then with title that we want. I'm going to go to parse.co again. And I have added 2 more concepts. So now I have run the application, so I can see here more than one. Just an example.